with Alan Rose.
And welcome back, everyone, to News 5 at 5:30 on this Saturday. Still some of that snowfall from back on Tuesday and Wednesday visible across America's mountain. Nice shot of Pikes Peak Summit sent in by Cindy Craven. And with beautiful weather ahead in the forecast, going to be plenty of opportunities to get some of those great pictures and maybe some video into us. You can do that by going to our Facebook page, which is KOAA 5. Highs today were down a little bit from yesterday. I think yesterday's high in the Springs was 63. Today, both the low and the high well above the freezing mark and well above average for this time of the year. Pueblo also seeing a few degrees of cooling compared to yesterday, with a low at 20 and the high this afternoon at 58. Take you outside now with a twin look at the sky cams in both cities. You can see the city lights visible. The sun has now been set for over an hour. Yeah, days are getting shorter as we head towards that winter solstice in a few weeks. 45 in the Springs. Southwest winds here at 7 brings that feels like temperature to 41. And for Pueblo, 47 calm winds, which means the wind chill factor is the same as the actual air temperature outside. Downtown in Canyon City, temperature on this Saturday evening at 44 degrees. Also seeing some light winds in this area out of the northwest and up towards the La Junta area, eastern parts of southern Colorado, seeing 47 outside with the northwest wind, or north wind, I should say, at about 7. Now, if you like today, almost a carbon copy tomorrow, but we're going to add about 3 to 6 degrees to our daytime highs. The warm-up continues in the next week, and we will see some record-setting heat possible as we make our way into Tuesday into Wednesday. In terms of any snowfall over the next couple of days, that remains unlikely through at least the middle of the week, but we are tracking the potential for some snow and some weather changes here in southern Colorado as we head towards the very, very end of that extended forecast. Now tonight we are seeing a few fair weather clouds moving in from the northern plains, so I think we will see a mix of sun and clouds around sunrise Sunday. Temperature is going to be pretty chilly early, but I think the key word here is to make sure you layer up, because by the afternoon the sunshine comes back out. It's going to boost temperatures in a big way, and you will see those temperatures well above average by the middle of the afternoon. So for the morning hours, quite cold in Pueblo, 19 degrees around 7 a.m. That's colder than the 26 were dealt in the Springs. 59 to both areas for the lunch hour, and then by the afternoon, again, shedding layers of clothing for those temperatures that warm into the 60s. So high pressure is our fair weather maker, and look what it does to this low, which is moving into the Pacific Northwest. Actually cuts off from the jet stream and dives down south, moving in the opposite flow of the westerlies we typically see here in the northern hemisphere. High pressure does begin to flatten as we head toward the end of the week, and we are tracking possibly that next storm coming into the area as we make our way into Friday and Saturday. And we desperately need the moisture, folks, here in Colorado. You can see all of this red shading, and that brick red indicates areas of extreme to exceptional drought. And at this point, almost 75% of the state dealing with those significant drought conditions. Looking at that hour by hour in the Springs and Pueblo, temperatures cold in the morning, but nice and comfortable by the afternoon. And over the next 7 days, we'll look at mild temperatures Sunday into Monday, and even warmer temperatures Tuesday into Wednesday. Cold front comes in to initiate some change for the first day of Hanukkah. Actually, you light the menorah that night, and that night we'll see temperatures dropping down to the lower 20s behind that front, with some isolated snow flurries Friday and a better chance for snow heading into Saturday. For Pueblo, bright and mild Sunday and Monday. Lots of sunshine through at least the middle of the week, with some wind and some cooler temperatures heading into Thursday and Friday, and snow possibly by next weekend. Canyon City will see low to mid 60s here. Some great weather to get outside, to do some shopping or go on a hike. I know I'm going to do that tomorrow morning myself. And for Woodland Park, we'll see temperatures here in the lower 50s through Sunday to Monday, Tuesday to Wednesday, mid 50s. Got to tell you, Andy, hanging Christmas lights outside today. Started with the sweatshirt, shedded that layer, went in and changed to shorts.
Oh my goodness.
Putting up those Christmas lights in early December.
Hey, you know, it's a great weekend to do it when the weather is that warm. All right.